Okay, JK friends, we are back together. We left off at the very beginning of April on Friday, April 3rd. And if you notice, on Friday, April 3rd, we had a yellow kite. So we started off with a red kite, then we moved to a blue kite, then they had a yellow kite, and our last kite on Saturday the 4th was a green kite. Now when we come back to Sunday the 5th, it goes back to a red kite, and that's where our pattern is going to repeat. Now this is a different pattern this month. If you notice, it's all kites, but they're all different colors. So we have a red kite, which would be an A, a blue kite, which would be B, a yellow kite, which would be C, and a green kite, which would be D. And then we go back to A. Our pattern is red, blue, yellow, green, or A, B, C, D. And then we repeat A, B, C, D, and we are back to red. So today is Monday the 13th. Tomorrow is Tuesday the 14th. And if we have a red kite as our A, our B in our pattern is going to be a what color kite? It is going to be a blue kite, because our pattern is an A, B, C, D pattern, or red, blue, yellow, green pattern. Now, we also started something new in April. We started counting points on stars. Today is the 14th. So we will have 14 points. We know that there are 5 points to each star, so we can count by fives. 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, and we will color in a 14th point. You can also count the points by 1 as well to get to 14. And if we did that, we would have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Now when we write a 14, we have to remember that a 14 is a 1 and a 4. And something important about numbers, we've talked about this, it matters what order you put your numbers in. 14 is a 1 first and a 4 second. If I change those numbers, it would be 41. So it matters what order we put our numbers in. So things we're going to think about this month are our A, B, C, D pattern. We're going to continue to count by 5s and 1s and 10s. And one other thing you guys can do today is we're going to talk about measuring. And measuring not only has to do with length, tallest and shortest, but it also has to do with size and weight, heavy and light. I have 2 objects here. I have a book and I have a crayon. And what I want you guys to do is find 2 things and decide. Hold up your objects and decide which one is heavier and which one is lighter. Heavy and light, heaviest and lightest are also measurements. So I want you to go around your house and find things that you can weigh and determine which ones are heavy versus which ones are light. For me, the heaviest objects that I have is my book, and the lighter object is the crayon. And I can do this with lots of things around my house. So good luck measuring, good luck patterning and counting, and we'll do it again tomorrow.